Hi there, students. To repurpose. To find a new job or a new thing to do with something old. So, to repurpose a factory. So the factory closed down and they are going to repurpose it by making it into a shopping centre. A cinema is much harder to repurpose than an ordinary shop. Okay, so to repurpose, to use something for a different purpose to the one that it was originally intended for. Cities have repurposed their former town centres and industrial areas as entertainment districts. Or a single container could be repurposed as many as 30 or 40 times. Okay, so to convert for use in another format, he repurposed the book as a weight to keep the door open. Okay, so to repurposing. To change something in order to make it suitable for a new purpose. I think very often this is upscaling as well. You are making it good for a new purpose. Content repurposed from old media is legitimate internet content. Okay, so repurposing. It's you take an object and you transform its value, you redeploy it. You change something so that it can be used for a different purpose. You might repurpose a piece of old furniture into a decorative item. Or you could perhaps take an old piece of equipment, an old piece of electronics, and make it into a photograph frame. Discarded furniture can be refurbished or redesigned for new uses. That would be repurposing. Scrap materials can be creatively reused in many different ways. This is to repurpose, to find a new thing to do with something, to adapt for a slightly different purpose. They've taken a product that was originally designed for the CD-ROM and repurposed it for the Microsoft network. Okay, I think repurposing is something that's becoming certainly more popular. We repurposed old wine bottles as elegant candle holders. You can repurpose an old wooden ladder into a rustic bookshelf. He managed to repurpose the cardboard boxes as organisers for her kitchen cabinets. I plan to repurpose this worn-out t-shirt into a soft cleaning rag. The city aims to repurpose abandoned warehouses into affordable housing units. It's much more sustainable to repurpose an existing building than demolish it and start over again. They transformed the neighbourhood by repurposing a decommissioned airbase and repurposed it into a public park. Okay, so yes, we can repurpose these old training materials for the new internship program. Okay, so this repurposing. I decided to repurpose my old bookshelf into a shoe rack. He repurposed an old suitcase as a storage box for his art supplies. They repurposed the abandoned warehouse into a community centre. The company plans to repurpose their old office building into a hotel. She repurposed a vintage dress into a stylish skirt. Okay, so it's finding a new use for something. You're using it for a different purpose to the one for which it was originally intended. So you're reusing it, but for another purpose, in another form. And this is the idea of repurposing. I think very often upcycling or downcycling. You're using it things for new purposes. We repurposed the empty jars into candle holders. He repurposed an old tire as a planter for his garden. They repurposed an old bicycle wheel into a chandelier. Okay, so to repurpose, I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality, and I think medium to high frequency. Yeah, it's just from the word purpose, or to purpose again. Okay, so the purpose, the reason for it. Let's see, purpose, proponere in Latin. So to place forth, to put forth. So to repurpose. Bye for now.